filming earlier, but then I watched the footage and I looked absolutely disgusting. Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's it.
Hi vlog! And subscribe to my channel too!
As you can probably tell from the title of the video, we are going to make mango float, which is a traditional dessert in the Philippines. But today, we're going to make that as well. But I want to make a twist and use strawberry.
Twist.
So that's what we're doing.
Today we're gonna talk about me. Because I want to talk about myself. Hi vlog! So, this is an advert. I want to show you this. This is urie in 2014. Oh my god!
I have decided that I'm going to speak Tagalog / Bisaya in this video since we're making a Filipino dessert. So why not? You know? Kailangan natin i-whisk ang double cream since wala kaming whisker. Gagawin ko yan pagkatapos niyang maghugas kasi kailangan ko lagay ang camera. I-whisk hanggang fluffy. Ang konti lang masyado. Okay lang to. So, ilagay na natin yung condensed milk. Pero
half
ilan?
muna?
Half lang daw.
Hindi mo nagahi na siya, oh!
Pero na just
Oh.
put! Why are you ganyan? Parang hindi na siya magahi.
Kailangan ko itong i-slice o ikaw mag-slice. Ikaw slice.
You can slice it if you want.
Para sa vlog.
Sige, isa slice. Ako na lang mag-slice. Wash it na lang. So, magla-layer na tayo ngayon. Unahin ng biscuit. I have to put the cream first. Pusin ko to lahat?
Hindi. Teka, hayaan mo na muna.
Gagawa ulit tayo ng ating cream. I'm gonna put it here and then... Finally, tapos na ang aming strawberry float and mango float. It looks like... Yay!
Oj, oj. Gav du inte?
Dili pa mo siya pwede ikaon. Before siya kainin, kailangan...
Pray siya, mag-pray.
No. Before siya kainin, kailangan yun siya i-freeze. I am gonna vlog later or whenever if we're going to eat this. So you can see the actual layer of the float. So, let's see then. Okay, it is approximately 3 hours later. Usually we leave it until the next morning and that's when we eat it. But today we want to try it out. So, kukunin natin siya sa fridge. Super excited! Okay. Here it is. Ew, it does feel frozen. It's not. Ano yan, uy? My love. My love? Hey, kayo. Naguba siya. Hindi siya perfect pagkuha, but lamig.
Lamig your?
Yeah.
Teka lang. Picturean ko ba?
I-hide with the vlog, mami.
Bye, vlog. Akala ko tapos ka na nag ano.
I-hide with the vlog. Bye.
Bye, vlog.